Hey y'all, my name is Miranda, and today I want to share with you a few quick tips on how to start a meditation practice and make it stick. So number one is to meditate at the same time of day. Most people do this either in the morning or in the evening, so whichever works best for you and your schedule. To, at least in the beginning, try to stick to the same technique or same style of meditation. I've actually created two 5-minute guided meditations that are great for beginners. I'll link to those in the description below here. And the third tip is to meditate in the same place, whether this is on your bed in the morning when you wake up, or before you're getting ready to go to sleep, or if you have a specific chair or cushion that you like to sit on, try to meditate in the same place. Fourth tip is to make this part of your routine. So part of your morning routine or part of your evening routine. If it's just part of your daily routine, such as brushing your teeth or washing your face, having tea or coffee, if you just incorporate this into your routine, it'll be easier to keep doing it each day. And the fifth tip is to be patient and gentle with yourself and realize it's going to take a little bit of time to get used to meditating. You're probably going to have thoughts come and go throughout the practice, and that's okay. You know, just acknowledge the thoughts and then let them move on. Metaphor I like to use is clouds. So think of your thoughts coming and going as clouds that are just kind of, you can see them, you acknowledge them, and then you just let them float on by and come back to your practice. So I hope these tips help you start and stick with your meditation practice. Again, my name is Miranda. Namaste and have a great day. Please subscribe to my channel for more yoga videos. If you'd like to join me or my team for a yoga hike, which combines yoga, hiking, and meditation with the most beautiful mountains, waterfalls, sunsets, and vortex here in Western North Carolina, go to namasteinature.com.